My name is Nick Hollon. I'm the maintenance base manager for Great Lakes Airlines in Denver, Colorado. I'm responsible for hiring new mechanics, making sure that the mechanics that work here are taken care of, and make sure that they're doing what they need to do to make sure that the planes fly out safely. I spent almost 14 years in the Marine Corps working on F-18s, and then after getting out of the military, I decided to continue my education at Redstone, now known as Spartan College, and went through the A&P program. It was actually a really easy transition going from the military to being in A&P school. Really great people there that helped me get straight into the program and helped me out along the way. I actually love the fact that after I work on an airplane, I get to watch it take off with passengers in it and fly safely out of here to another location. And I get actual satisfaction out of knowing that I worked on that plane and I helped them get into their destination. I would recommend this college for anyone that's seeking to work on aircraft. I prefer hiring students that have graduated from Spartan College. They seem like they know more than people that have attended other schools. Advice for anyone that's thinking about pursuing a career in aviation or attending A&P school would be to actually go through the school, dedicate yourself to it, and don't wait too long after you graduate to actually take your test. Take your test, get your certificates, and get in the workforce.